What's going on, guys? Today we will be unboxing the new Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. This particular version is the 512 GB with the 12 GB RAM version. I chose the color Phantom Black, and I just received this today. And let's go ahead and look at it. So this is what the packaging looks like. The S22 Ultra, and the contents of the package is the phone itself, the S Pen, USB-C to USB-C cable, the ejection pen, and you should also note, these do not come with the earphones and the power brick anymore. So let's go ahead and open the box up. And okay, one more. There we go. Okay, here also it didn't cut. Cool. There we go. We got that. Okay, place it down here in the box. Okay, there's the phone. Put it the other way around. Okay, here's the first look. Wow, the phone is massive. Okay, here is the black. I do like these bezels, the way it looks around here. It looks pretty cool. We will remove all these in just a second there. I will set this down over here. Let's see what else is in the contents. And okay, that's it. Okay, so this is the USB-C to C cable. I'm gonna set that there. I think that's just all the other paperwork. And here is the ejection pin. Here's your quick start guide. So I'm gonna set these over here. And wow, this looks pretty cool. Okay, so let's go ahead and remove this. Ah, I love this mat. This is beautiful to look at. Woo! I am impressed by the way this looks. Really cool. Yeah, as you can see, the phone does have a little thickness to it. Does have the rounded corners like the Note versions. Wow, so far it feels pretty good. Okay, also let's look at the S Pen. Okay, so S Pen matches the phone color. It does come with a few other color options. I think just the top part matches your phone color, but the Samsung exclusive colors, they match the whole pen itself. So there you go. This is the S22 Ultra with Phantom Black option, and I'm gonna put this back in. There you go, guys. This is the Samsung S22 Ultra.